How to fix Safari cannot open the page because it could not establish a secure connection to the server error. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix the Safari error. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's begin. So sometimes this error can occur due to your issue in date and time. So to fix that, go to your settings, go to general, and on your general scroll down till you find date and time. After you're here, make sure that you set it on set automatically. So if this is turned off, turn it on, and that should now adjust your time and date automatically, and that should fix the problem. But if it does not, come back here, go to your Wi-Fi and connection, make sure that you connect it to a better internet connection. You can also use your mobile data instead of your Wi-Fi. And after that, what you can do here is go to your Safari. So scroll down till you find the apps section. Go to Safari from here. So let me search for Safari. And here, open up Safari. And what you'll need to do is scroll down. And there you should find an option that says clear history and website data. Check all history and then clear your history. Doing that should fix the problem. And if it still does not fix it, go to your general on your settings. Scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone, and then reset your network settings from here. And that should fix the problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.